All right, folks, listen up. This video, not clickbait, no credit card, no billing nonsense, nothing. And yes, it works on macOS, Windows with Git Bash and Linux, tremendous support. Everybody's covered. First, go to this GitHub repo, very important, star the repo. We're going to run Claude Code directly inside VS Code, and guess what? There are basically no prerequisites. You don't even need VS Code installed already. One copy-paste command, that's it. Copy the command. Now let's go to the terminal, paste it in. Beautiful. Okay, here we go. Press enter. Now it'll ask you something. Type no. You'll be redirected to the OpenCode auth page. You can log in using GitHub or Google. I'm going to use GitHub because GitHub is great. And look at this. You do not need to press the Enable Billing button. Ignore it completely. On the side menu, click API Keys, then click Create API Key. Enter any name you want. Anything. Click Create. Now copy the API key, go back to the terminal, paste it, press enter. And now the magic starts. It'll install VS Code, OpenCode, and Claude Code automatically. Nobody's doing this better. After that, press enter. Now this part is very important. Choose dark mode, obviously, press enter. Do you want to use this API key? Yes, of course, yes. Move the pointer up, press enter. Now press enter again, and again, and again. Now type /exit. Press enter. And one more time at the end, press enter. Boom. VS Code opens automatically on its own. Incredible. All right. Now let me show you this thing actually works. I'm going to create a chess game. And click this orange splash looking Claude button right here. Now enter your prompt. 69 seconds later, and here we go. The HTML chess game is ready, fully working, amazing. So yeah, guys, hope you liked the video. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to star the repo, very important, huge support.